Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Black Myth Wukong any kind of connection problems or the connection issues you are facing. So let's get started. First go to the Windows tab, hit the proxy settings and open it. And guys, once you open it, here you will see the automatically detect settings. You can turn it off and also turn it off the manual proxy setup if this is on. And you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. Then go to the Windows tab at the control panel and open it and select the view by to the category. Then click on the network and internet you are seeing here and click on the network and setting center. Then here guys you will see the change adapter settings. Click on that. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. So right click on your connection, go to your connection properties. Now here guys, you have to simply look for the Internet Protocol version 4. Just highlight this and go to its properties you are seeing over here. And just click on the choose the following DNS addresses and in the preferred DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. And guys, this is the best Google DNS server that you need to use to fix this kind of problems. Then simply close it and the next setting you need to do is go to the Windows type at the CMD and simply run as administrator. And guys, once it was open, here you can type the ipconfig space / and then flush DNS. So guys, it is the command that will flush your all DNS resolver cache as you can see this type of message. Then you can type the command which is netsh and space winsock space tset. And guys, once you type this command, just hit the enter, then you can fresh restart your PC. And after the restart, your any kind of connection problem is fixed. You can open up the game and play it and enjoy the game. This is how you can fix the Black Myth Wukong any kind of connection problem. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me and I will see you guys in the next video.